A big news for all the healthcare professionals. So if you're looking out for a job in which you can have a desk, you are one of those who just likes to sit back, relax and do good research on the desktop. HEOR is a domain whereby doctors and every healthcare professional can apply with different CRO firms like IQVIA, Excel, HEOR. So Akram sir and a team at Academically has designed an exclusive course which is a job-ready, job assistance curriculum program. Hello medicos! A big news for all the healthcare professionals. If you are in life sciences, if you're a doctor, dentist, dental science, pharmaceutical sciences, medical sciences, then an exclusive new post, high demand post awaits for you. Health Economics and Outcome Research, HEOR. Yes, HEOR is a domain that, let me break it down for you, combining clinical, humanistic, economics, the three together, so that one person can handle the economics as well as the humanistic values as well as the clinical values. It consists of different components like the critical cost utility analysis, cost benefit analysis, cost minimization analysis, health technological assessments. Along with that, getting into quality adjusted life years, disability adjusted life years. So if you're looking out for a job in which you can have a desk, you are one of those who just likes to sit back, relax and do good research on the desktop and find out new insurance policies or defining the different clinical endpoints, QOLs, having a good idea of the health policies and market access, want to get into the reimbursement strategies. If we all want a transition, we all want a change in our life, because change is the only thing constant in our life. बदलाव इकलौती ऐसी चीज है जो होती रहनी चाहिए, अच्छा बदलाव. तो if you are tired of your clinical sitting into the posting 72 hours into the OBG or the pedia or the ortho, any of the departments in the surgery, you need a transition from those 48 hours, 72 hours monotonous, extensive shifts and get into a non-clinical job. So HEOR is here for you, my dear. HEOR is a domain whereby doctors and every healthcare professional can apply with different CRO firms like IQVIA, Excel, HEOR, different companies of the biotech like Mankind, GSK, AstraZeneca, the different companies of the medical devices, Medtronics, Boston, Siemens Healthcare. So Akram sir and a team at Academically has designed an exclusive course which is a job-ready, job assistance curriculum program whereby you will be getting a real-world evidence models, the real data, value decision making, capstone projects, and some of the exclusive outcome research information that you would be searching out for. So this outcome modeling is going to help you, and as a medical advisor, as a medical associate, you will be having a great role in the value dossiers, in the payer discussions, etc. So over here, let me show you down the complete information regarding this course of HEOR. So HEOR, maybe will be having the expert faculties who have themselves worked in this domain. On this blog, you can check out this website. A complete information is given regarding the HEOR, who can apply for this course, what is this course all about. It's an online course. Will I get a placement support and assistance? Yes, you will get placement support, assistance and guidance. What kind of projects you're going to work upon? What will be the career outcomes? And what is the HEOR field all about? Because it's a new field, so we all are curious. We all are inquisitive to know that what is in the box, what is in this domain. So over here, we are going to add some of the exclusive information, and in this video, I have covered to you about the different domains and different components of the HEOR. What is basic HEOR, the basic definition, the job roles, the basic course information for you. So if you want to get a little more detailed idea, you can contact the numbers given in the description box. You can go on this website, check out the domain, check out the information, and stay connected with Akram sir, stay connected with Payam sir and our Academically for more such upcoming informative job information, vacancies, recruitment, notifications, and recruitments. Thank you so much.